Hi, Mark the Meerkat here with my grandson, Rory, and we're here to talk about Tesla. Tesla right now live the markets as we're recording this. It isn't a bull flag, right, Rory?
Bull flag, right.
And what's it doing? Breaking out.
It's breaking out.
That's right. Here it is. Right now you can see over here it's breaking out right now, but it's got its overhead resistance, the 200 moving average, big red, and the 20 moving average and 240 even dollar amount is possible resistance. Yeah, right, resistance. It may not go through that. We'll have to wait and see. But look at the volume is nice and big as it broke out. Let's see if it follows through. Now, for the day, it's down 3.4% at the moment. But it is working its way back up. Go ahead. What?
Today at 10:30, at 10:35, they started their price started to go up.
That's right.
And
right
then,
at 10:30. That was the near the low of the day, at least, right?
Yeah, and then at 10:40 they started to kind of get low.
Yeah.
And then there was a lot of money at 10:40.
Yep.
And when the 10:40 it started to go up, you can see it started to go up.
Yeah.
So,
but right now, look what's happening. This is what's happening live right now. It just hit its head right at that $240. Look at that.
So someone just bought a Tesla right now.
Yeah, no, they're buying the stock is what they're doing. But they see how it's trying to break above there. See, it's how hard it's trying to break above there. You see, it's so hard. You got that 200 moving average and 240. Come on, let's cheer it on here. Let's cheer it on. Let's see the volume. This is live. This is what's happening right now in New York in the stock market, Rory.
This is happening in New York, guys.
That's right at the New York Stock Exchange. Right now, it's trying to break through there. It's just having so much trouble. Look at that. And actually, I think this one's on the NASDAQ, but that's okay. It's also in New York City. So let's fast forward 15 minutes and let's see if this trade turned out or not. And you can see over here that this is where it would have gotten in. It just went sideways for a while. Then it went up here and hit its head on this dashed line, which is the the S1 pivot line, right at $241.
$241?
That's right, but it couldn't seem to go past that. Now let's fast forward another hour, and look, it hit it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and it still couldn't get above there. So this trade would have only been for about 0.5%. This is Mark the Meerkat and
his grandson Rory,
here to wish you a Happy New Year, and may 2024 be
the best trading year ever!
Goodbye!